This token did a 4x in a matter of weeks. To find more coins like this, join my free Telegram group because I am thinking of closing it again. Link is in the description. Seems like Kaspa now has a serious competitor, but is this enough in order for SEI to leave Kaspa behind? Let's find out right now. Whatever you hear in this video, don't take it as a financial advice, please, because I am not a financial advisor. So, SEI Network is a trading-focused Layer 1 blockchain that solves the trilemma of decentralization, scalability, and security, and offers a specialized order book and native order matching engine. The market cap of this coin is currently sitting at $1.6 billion, with a fully diluted market cap at $6.8 billion. The speed transactions are even faster than Solana, which makes it one of the fastest out there, 300 to 600 milliseconds per transaction. It is designed to provide deep liquidity and low latency through innovative features such as intelligent block propagation, optimistic block processing, and parallel order execution. One of SEI's unique points is that it offers a native order book on its blockchain, allowing DeFi projects to collectively utilize a single order book, creating deep liquidity that benefits traders. The platform is built using the Cosmos SDK and the Tendermint core, and its unique chain-level optimizations enable decentralized exchanges and trading applications in NFT, gaming, social, and DeFi to offer the best user experience. SEI also prevents front-running, which is a big deal because it protects the average person in their everyday use from getting robbed by bots. We should also say that SEI is backed by VCs and investors, and that's the main difference in comparison with Kaspa, which is a fair launch. SEI, on the other hand, is not. A lot of investors have huge amount of tokens bought very early. SEI also has jumped in rank 50 right out of the blue, almost, and that happened because when you pay exchanges to list your coin, none of them is going to say no. So don't get me wrong, it's a good thing when you pay exchanges to list your coin, because this means the team is dedicated to make this project a success, and that is very important. However, be careful of the token unlocks that will happen in the summer. Usually token unlocks tend to dump the price automatically even if no one sells the coin. It happens because of the dilution of the coins in the circulation that happens instantly. You can also swap SEI token to Ethereum and other tokens like Cosmos, Solana, etc. by going to this link here. Important notice here, you might want to do some transactions there, because based on my experience, projects like these, they will possibly do airdrops to those who do swaps, and as a matter of fact, my suspicions came true, they do have an airdrop, so feel free to read this article on this link to learn more. In my personal opinion, SEI is a very good project overall that will make us a lot of money, but please don't invest your hard-earned money based on the information on this video. I'm just sharing my opinion here. So, in my opinion, SEI, I think, will have a similar adoption like Solana did, because they have created already a big ecosystem and a lot of platforms and partners supporting them. So, I believe that this project will be a very good Kaspa competitor, but one thing that you should definitely have in mind is the fact that from August 2024, the private sale investors will have their unlocks ready, so they will possibly sell a big portion of those. You see, that's why it's important to be in my Telegram group, because in those cases like this, anything can change in any time. So in our community, we post those things as they happen and we stay updated all the time. If you want to be updated about when the pre-sale investors sell their coin, join my free Telegram group below. Now, as far as price prediction goes about SEI, this is one of my favorite parts because it shows the potential of this coin. Well, I believe with the current knowledge and the news that they are in circulation that we have, that SEI it can realistically reach the price of $15 to $20 which be similar in potential to Solana market cap. Of course, nothing is guaranteed here, but at the end of the day, I firmly believe that the VCs will find a way to make this coin go way higher. And that is because whenever the big VCs are involved in crypto tokens, they always tend to give great returns, like Solana did, and look at where it is right now. Of course, for this coin, it is one of those coins where you want to buy now and sell it right before the unlocks of the investors starts in the August 2024. So let's see some recent news about SEI and the recent published partnership of SEI and Kadu Money. Kadu is a crypto fiat on-ramp platform that makes it easy for the average Joe to join crypto without the hassle of crypto exchanges. So this is another positive step to SEI's success. And here is something that explains how SEI can do parallel transactions and not like the traditional blockchain was able to do so far. The exchanges where you can find SEI are pretty much everywhere, as you can see here, from Coinbase to Binance, Kraken, Gate.io, and all the rest. In terms of wallets, I think MetaMask and a few others started supporting this already. So that's it for today. Make sure you join the free Telegram group before it's too late, and make sure you leave a token of appreciation by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you very much, and talk to you next time. Take care.